How to clear QANDA app cache. First of all, go to your device settings and scroll down to find Apps or Application Manager. Next, locate and tap on QANDA from the list of installed apps to open its app information page. Or tap on Storage or Storage and Cache to access storage options for the app. Now tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing slow performance or glitches. Clearing the cache will not delete your account, login information, or personal data, so your QANDA usage remains safe. After clearing the cache, reopen the QANDA app to notice improved speed and smoother operation. Regularly clearing the cache helps keep the app running efficiently and prevents unnecessary errors or delays while using the app. Now you know how to clear QANDA app cache. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more learning tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.